Alright guys, I'm going to teach you a wall mockup write-up now, but I'll be using a client details to run this one. I got a text message this morning for me to do a write-up that will be pasted on a wall for my client, so I want to make record of the video immediately so that I will send it to you guys for you to learn. So now I'm making it, right? So follow me step by step, just a write-up only, no logo, nothing, just write up. Alright, so the first thing to do is this test. We're going to click on this AI icon down, edit. His name is GYM. I'm reading it from a paper because I copied it out. Exchange, yes, my phone is helping us. Alright, so next thing to do now is to go and give it font. Let's go and look for a good font for our client. Right, DY Exchange, this one will do DY Exchange. There's a lot of font though, although I'm looking at, okay, this one is okay. You stretch it, should the DY be on top? DY on top, DY Exchange. Alright, so DYM Exchange, sorry guys. The next thing to do now is to go and give it a color. Now look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the DYM to have different color and the Exchange will have different color. Just go to your color, click on your color. Once you get to your color, look at this right up down here. I will highlight only DYM. Are you seeing it? It's now only on DYM. I click OK. Then, sorry guys, highlight only the DYM. Now OK. You go and choose color for it. Are you seeing it? It's only DYM that is changing. Alright, so the guy said something blue, so I think this blue, this one is okay. Click OK. Now go back to that same color, and now this time we highlight Exchange. Alright, give it maybe something gold so that it will boost out that blue. Give it something like this. I think it's okay like this. Click OK. Now you go to stroke so that it will come out very well. You increase the stroke. Yes, you can change the color of the stroke. If you don't like it, you can give it any color of your choice. I think this blue goes well on it. Okay, so DYM Exchange is the first letter in this write-up. Alright, the next thing is to do the write-up, the other write-up, what he is doing. Test, bring down test, you edit. We said we can start with capital letter. We buy all kinds of gifts. Sorry, gift cards. Common, best rates, and available. The available should start with capital letter A. Available for all kinds of pickups. Pick up like this. Okay, now this thing is in 4 lines. We are going to make it to reduce. You hold here, you drag. As you can see, it's reducing. Maybe 2 lines is okay. You reduce it here, you increase it a bit, then go and give it font that will make it come out very well. Or even though you don't want to give it font, you can still go to this place, the row style, that's B style. You can bold, italize, or do whatever you want to do. Underline. Have you seen it? You can bold it by clicking this B. It's now bolder, but I think still font will be better. Okay, this one is okay. I've given it a font. Now anything we are typing, want it to have the same font with this one, so you copy. Like I told you, you copy, then you edit the one you copy, you clean and type everything. So no need of us to be going to the font again. he said very, sorry, capital letter, very fast and reliable. Sorry, very fast and reliable. Okay, we increase it a bit also. Now the next thing there is his Facebook name, his IG name, and his WhatsApp number. So you copy this one also, come down, edit, you clean it. His Facebook name, you say this De Young. That one I will not write FB, we will use Facebook icon to replace that. You click copy, you bring it down, you edit. His IG name is De Young, sorry, De Young, DYM. Okay, then the last one is the WhatsApp number. You copy, you edit. The WhatsApp number is 09067200077. That's his WhatsApp line. Alright, so now we are going to create a demarcation so that it will make our work unique and very okay. Now you import shape, square. It's okay, you minimize it very well, so that it will be tiny. Then you drag. Why is it not dragging? Sorry about that. I did undo. In case if you are doing something and it's not working, you just click here, undo. So now shift, you drag. I think this one is working. Maybe it's because I plugged my phone, that's why. This one is okay, this tiny line is okay. The next thing to do to this line now is to copy, so that it will be to demarcate twice. Look at it. Yeah, very fantastic. Now what's the next thing to do? Since you value blue so much, we're going to make these lines color blue, giving it color blue. But I think this time around it will be a lighter blue, maybe sky blue like this. Give the second one, should have done that and copy immediately. Give the second one blue also, color blue. It's okay. Alright, so next thing is to put this very fast and affordable here. But before we do that, let's give all these things stroke, so that we have that same blue that he said he loves so much. Color blue, sorry, stroke. You go to stroke first, then you enable, then you go to color blue. Give it light blue, dark blue. This one is okay. Stroke, enable, give it blue. Wow, I think this is okay like this. Then the next thing is to go and bring icons for these ones. But these ones, I think we should give it the same color with that exchange color, so that they will match. Yes, something like this. I told you I'm doing this thing for somebody, so I got to make it perfect. To waste our time, but we will learn with it. Alright, the next thing is to go and bring in the icons from shapes. If I did not send you this, if you need it, I can send you, but you can download it as well. Put it on a circle form. This for IG, Instagram, which is for this. Alright, so next thing is, let's go and get the one for Facebook. Where are you? I have a lot of work, so for me to get all these things is hard. This one is for Facebook. If you want to get the young man on Facebook, this is what you use. Close it a bit. You use your ISO so that you make sure it's on the same line with the other one. So the next one is for WhatsApp. Alright, you go to your WhatsApp icon, look at it here, put it on a circle form, drag it so that all of them are in a circle form, so that this one will not be in a square form. Yes, it's okay. Hope you are getting me. If you don't understand how I managed to do all this, private chat me. It's a very simple something. Alright, now I want to change these three things color. Remember I said to have the same thing with exchange. Okay, so now you go and merge three of them. Look at them here. I'll merge them so that once I'm bringing it, it will change at once. Merge. Okay, click, go back. Have you seen it? It has been merged. So now I go to color. I put it the same color with the exchange so that it won't look odd. It won't be standing alone. So we have a younger brother. I think this is it. Then go to stroke, enable, and give it that light or sky blue cyan. Now that's all for now. Take it up a bit. I think here is even okay. Now the last thing we are going to do is to merge all of them. Alright, you merge whatever thing that is here so that anything you are doing will affect all. No one is left behind. You merge. Okay, merge. It has been merged. Alright, so the next thing now to do is to go and fit it, go and set it, put shadow on it. Are you seeing it? Reduce the blur radius maybe to 8. Okay, put inner shadow. Wow, reduce the blur radius, maybe remove all blur radius. This okay. Now the next thing is 3D. Put 3D on it. Are you serious? It's getting fine now. Let's click OK. Now the next thing is to go and bring that background that look like a wall so that we can paste it on it. Alright, so click on this background. Remember I always say this, go to from gallery down here, you go and look for that background that look as if the wall is bent one side. Alright, because you want it to be as if it's posted. I have this. Okay, this one is okay. Click on it. The background has changed. Alright, so now we are going to hang our, if you look at it, that wall is bent one side, so we are going to do our own as if it's hanged on it. Alright, so we click on 3D rotation. Don't forget, look at it, 3D location. Are you seeing it? If you are increasing it, it's turning, and clicking the plus sign. Yes, but it's as if it's bent too much. You reduce a bit, maybe like this. Yeah, now if you look at this thing, it look as if it is pasted on this wall actually from day one. Alright, so I don't know, anybody can read it, nothing is there, is free. So tomorrow now I will send him this to see if there's anything that you don't like. Maybe we can make amends and everything. So but I just want to use it and give you teachings. Alright, so let's go to 3D again, and there's something I'm seeing. Click on it, go to 3D rotation, or better still, go to rotate. Click on rotate this time. Wow, it's going up. Okay, something like this here. It's as if it's bent though. Just one is okay. Yeah, this is DYS, and we buy all kinds of gift card and everything, blah blah blah. So this is how just to post something. Had it been you wanted to add logo, that place that is DYM, there should have been a logo on it if you want. So right, but it just said write-ups. So you can put logo, you can even put your picture of your product in this. You can put picture. You can, if you are a tailor, you can, or you are sewing, you can put this on top here. I'm just saying, at that initial stage that you are still creating, all this thing will be on 3D and it still be pasted on the wall. Alright, so I'm just saying you just delete, but the guy, no logo, nothing, just write up, he just want it like this. So thank you guys for following up on this one.